Two people, one of them a senior citizen, are dead after gunmen invaded their home along Fogo Road in Four Parts, Clarendon yesterday evening. They have been identified as 73-year-old business owner Horace Lynn and his wife 56-year-old Daisy Lynn. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has the details.
It's been a bloody year for the people of Clarendon. Gunmen have been on a rampage in the parish, disturbing communities and killing families. Just Tuesday, 2 more people were gunned down in the comfort of their homes. It's reported that around 6 o'clock Tuesday evening, residents heard several explosions and saw 2 men running from the couple's house. When cops got there, Mr. Lynn was found lying on his back in the car porch with gunshot wounds to the upper body, and his wife was seen face down in the living room with her throat slashed. The family member of one of the victims remembered him as a very hard worker.
He worked as a person who provided trucks to the sugar industry, and later came out of that business and started a very small wholesale in Old Harbour and an ice factory. He closed the ice factory some years ago, semi-retired, operated a little grocery shop there just to make a small living for himself and his wife, as his children are now grown, and has left his house here in Maypen.
Mr. Lynn thinks the crime situation in Clarendon is part of a wider issue in the country, which he argues is getting out of control. He says people are no longer safe in their homes.
But I believe that as a nation, we have to bond together and find a solution so that we can give the next generation a hope to survive here in this country.
And he believes the victims have been serving the community for years now and should not have met such a gruesome death. He's calling for people to unite.
It is sad because he would have reached his golden years. He's now 73, going to 74 years of age. Still decided that he wanted to make a contribution in business. His employees are now going to be out of jobs because I don't see any of his children wanting to carry on that business. So it is a very sad thing for Jamaica, and we have to, I believe, make up our minds where we want to go with this country.
It is also believed that the victim's firearm was taken from him during the attack. Meanwhile, the Clarendon police are investigating the incident. They have not established a motive for the shooting. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.